So I want Charlotte to kind of talk about recess for a little bit first.
Hey everybody, so today I'm here to share with you a little bit about the Recess Club, starting with the K standing for Kindness and Leadership Uniting Buddies. But I would like to tell you my story first. I was a first grader at Hawkins Elementary and my sister Ciel was in 4th grade at the time. One night towards the end of the school year, we were going to bed and my sister started crying really hard. My mom asked her what's wrong and she said she didn't have anyone to play with at recess anymore. My mom asked her why she wasn't playing with her usual friends. She said one was playing soccer every day now, which she didn't enjoy, and the other was playing with a new group of girls where my sister wasn't welcome. She wasn't finding a place where she felt she would fit. She was really hurting. When this was happening, I wondered how could people not want to play with my sister, who's to me one of the greatest people ever. So I asked my mom, what if there was a club at school where people didn't have someone to play with they could go to, so they always had someone to play with? I worked on the club, and in the 3rd grade, I presented it to my principal. She loved the idea, and was very generous to take a chance on the club. We started across all grades, and including everyone on the Hawkins playground ever since. Last year, we added the club here at Maltby and Horning, and this year we started it at Hinton and Spencer. It was so much fun to keep off the kindness on the playgrounds, and that's what we're here today to do. This may make you wonder why this club is important. The reason why is because kids are supposed to have fun at recess, and they shouldn't have to be worried about being left out. Because Brighton Area Schools is full of leaders who can be kinder to their students. Because everyone should go back to the classroom feeling refreshed so they can focus on their schoolwork. And because we can make Brighton Area Schools an even more amazing school district. Thank you for listening to me, and now Mr. Aiden is going to talk a bit more about how the club is going to work at Maltby.
So the way the recess club is going to work this year, 6th graders. First, we're going to need leaders to help out at recess. We're going to have leaders at both our C and D lunches. And if you're interested in being one of those leaders, if you were last year, you want to do it again, or you want to go out on a limb and say, hey, this might challenge me, which is okay to be challenged, to try to start something new, look out for other people. There's the applications up in the office you can get this afternoon. I would hope to have a pile of applications by Friday. And next week we'll kind of call those leaders down and talk about what a recess club will look like. But you may have noticed on our intramural schedule this year, starting next Friday, there's no intramurals on Fridays. Because every Friday is going to be a recess club. And so what's going to happen is if you are a person that is interested in participating in the recess club, you want to play with different kids, or maybe you don't feel like you have a person to play with that you can play with that day at recess. Something's not feeling great, you need some space, you want to do something different. You're going to be at the new tables that we put in last year, and our recess club leaders are going to scoop you up, okay? And then we're going to come in here. We're going to use this space to play. Depending on a lot of kids, we're going to have things organized, we're going to do something great. So you have an opportunity to play with new people, play with people that you enjoy, play with just other 6th graders in your lunch. And also we'll have the leaders will also be walking around the rest of the recess. Did anybody scoop anybody up that maybe isn't quite brave enough to go to the tables and come up with the recess club, but be invited to come play. Come play with some other people, do something different. So we're going to be doing that on Fridays here, starting pretty soon. The message to you is to think about 2 things. One, think about if you want to be a leader. If you want to be a leader and you want to sign up, those applications will be up in the office. And think about also like what Mr. Pease talked about, how can you change people's day on the daily? We're thinking about that today. All right? One big round of applause for Mr. Pease again, please. And for Charlotte Isaac, big round of applause. Awful brave.